Hi, I'm William Wood, and I fished on the BASS and FLW circuit for over 20 years. I have a series out called I Turn My Guide Trips into Tournaments. Check it out. Morgan.
Yep.
All right, so you ready for a tournament?
Yep.
Okay, it's gonna be against your dad here. All right, you want a big fish tournament or first fish, biggest fish, most fish?
Big fish.
Big fish tournament? All right, sounds good. Big fish tournament, let's do it. Yeah, beaver. Crappie on a crankbait. Way to go. Cichlid.
Keep catching these. Right.
Ooh. She's coming over here to your left. There you go. Keep her. Oh, she came off? That might be a nice fish there. Keep away from that trolling motor. Oh yeah, nice bass.
Alright. Finally got it.
Alright. Takes over big fish lead. Way to go. Okay, tournament is officially over, and we got a big fish winner, and that would be Morgan. Morgan, way to go.
Thank you.
Congratulations. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and check this next exciting video out.